Hello and welcome to another 3D printing video. Today I'm going to be printing another Fortnite weapon, and today it's going to be the Scar. So my last video I 3D printed the shotgun, the tactical shotgun, and that was a pretty cool print. And today I'm going to do the Scar. So I'm printing it in wood colored PLA on my Flyingbear 3D printer. It should take about 2 hours. And so when it's done printing, I'm going to paint on the black parts of the assault rifle because there's two colors. There's the beigeish color and the black. And I'm going to use the wood colored filament for the base of it, and then I'll go over it with the black graphite paint. And it's going to be about 4.5 inches long. It's going to be pretty small, but that makes it print faster. And so once that's done, I'm going to paint it and show you guys, and hopefully it'll be pretty epic. Let's do this. I broke it. Wood filament is really brittle, and as I was peeling it off, this piece right here snapped off. But super glue is the answer to everything. So I'm going to pull all this sport material off, hopefully not breaking any more parts off of this, and then once all this stuff's off, I'm going to glue the parts together that are broken, and I'm going to paint it and show you guys. Okay, so I finished it, and here it is right here. This is the completed Scar assault rifle. The printing didn't do that great of a job, and because I think I was printing it too fast and too small, but I think it's pretty good as for what it is, I guess. So there it is. I now have a miniature assault rifle Scar. It's pretty epic. And I'm adding to my collection of Fortnite weapons. Please leave a comment which weapon I should print next. That'd be pretty epic. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.